All right, as promised, the management of Gopal Snacks now joins in to talk about the impact of the GST Council rate cuts on select namkeens. We've got Raj Bipinbhai Hadvani, who's the Chief Executive Officer. Thank you so much for taking time out. It's a big boost coming in from the GST Council with this rate having been reduced. What are your first thoughts?
Yes, GST has been decreased. So basically, all the industry member will benefit with this, and with them, we will also benefit with the decreasing in rate of this GST.
Sure, Raj, but does that mean that the volume growth will also improve a bit, because your volume growth was languishing in single digits? Are you expecting an uptick?
This is not this question I won't be able to perfectly answer, but because there are multiple factors affecting the growth, not just only GST. And yes, GST was quite high on this category, as many bigger category is falling under the rate, but this is very quite high GST percentage. So for sure it will help, but I don't know the percentage or amount it will contribute to the growth.
Fair enough. So what about the demand scenario? Has that been over the last few months when it comes to volume growth? Are the lower value packs selling more? Is there higher demand for higher value packs? Break it down for us.
So this snack pellet category is highly 5 rupees market, as the volume of the product is high. It's not that weight oriented product. So distribution is also limited for this product. There is not big growth in this category, but yes, it is growing category, and the raw material is widely accepted, widely available in the market. So many more people are coming in this market. So new player are also coming, and even existing also getting good response from the market.
Right. So given that you are losing a little bit of market share against your competition, what are the steps that you're taking? Any new schemes or any new lucrative offers? What's the game plan?
See, competition comes in and go out based on the market size, market maybe GST problem, and many multiple things. But in a longer term, definitely we will be increasing our sales in this category as well.
Okay, but you talked about the unorganized sector. Do you think this GST reduction will help from a shift to unorganized to organized?
No, it's not that big challenge. Maybe people who are not paying GST will start paying GST, maybe because of the decreasing the rate of GST. But it completely depends on person to person, company to company. But for us, for sure, we can do good because of this GST move. There is no bad, and more or less, it's a positive sign for us.
Positive sign, but do you think the other positive sign could be some bit of cool off that has happened in terms of the raw material prices? Are you expecting some sort of improvement in your margins? Can we expect it to be in the 12 to 14% range for FY25?
Margin will be more or less same, because people will either increase the weight of the product. So maybe most of the brand will increase weight because of the lower of the GST, or maybe they convert into the margins. It for an example, some brand will start increase the grammage, then most of the other brand will also follow the same. So maybe they will shift to the profit centric. So it completely depends on market to market, and every market have its own scenario, and based on that scenario only we can able to judge. It's not a very simple question with that I can answer.
Right. Any steps that you're taking then when it comes to Gujarat and Maharashtra? Will you be increasing the grammage or be looking at a price reduction?
We'll see in terms of percentage of our total contribution, and the effect of GST in numbers in our total contribution, and based on that only we can able to do damage correction or maybe profit correction. So we haven't decided yet, but this news is quite fresh for us as of now.
And any plans when it comes to your capacity? Will you be looking to ramp that up? What is the outlook when it comes to your Nagpur capacity utilization?
Yes, as of now, Nagpur plant is doing well, and capacity utilization percentage is also growing month on month. So for sure, we'll reach to 50% capacity in upcoming months.
Okay, 250% capacity, but could you add a bit more color on the volume growth figure? And I ask you that because I'm just trying to understand, could you hit the double-digit mark this year?
We'll definitely cross industrial growth rate for sure. I am not sure about the perfect number, but for sure we'll cross industry growth rate.
Okay, gonna be delivering industry-leading growth, but what about exports? Is that an opportunity that you're eyeing very closely?
Export potential is quite high, but as of now, we are just looking around the opportunities. We are not able to see the far picture as of now, but for sure we'll be doing big things in export department as well.
Right, and is there any new strategy or plans for the festive season that one can watch out for?
As of now, we are coming up with a good campaign. We have done our existing campaign of the chips is going on. So yes, next upcoming years will be very good for us as the sales is also increasing. This campaign is also doing, and festive season is also going to come in Diwali. So yes, everything will be on a positive way.
All right, and since you've also talked about the festival season that's up and coming, are there any new products or discounts? I just wanted to check any overall trends that you've observed as well when it comes to growth or preferences.
Growth is doing good compared to last year, and we see a double-digit growth in compared to last year. Uh, we don't have any special things for the festive, as this product is only very special for the all the festive season. So because of that, we'll see surge in numbers.
Okay, thank you so much, Raj, for making time and speaking with us. So it's a good news coming in with that GST reduction from 18 to 12%.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.